Hi.
Hi Ajoba.
हाय की
Hi Akshay.
Hi, Aki.
वाढदिवसांचा हार्दिक शुभेच्छा माझे साबले साहेब.
Many many happy returns of the day, bhai. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you.
Many many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday Akshay. Many happy returns of the day.
Wish you very happy birthday, Aki.
अक्षय साबळे यांना वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक 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 शुभेच्छा.
many happy returns of the day मेरे भाई.
हॅपी बर्थडे मॅन.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Ajoba.
Happy birthday.
So we met first time at LGDT when we were 14. It's been more than a decade now. We know each other.
अक्की को सबसे पहले मैं मिला नहीं था, मैंने कॉल पे बात किया था.
So first time I met him when I was in Avalon.
Was in Avalon.
We met each other at Avalon.
And he remembers it very well. It was regarding his attendance in the airport.
He came across as a very shy and quiet person.
We had a laugh on it as well. कि मतलब हम एक क्लास में थे but हम ने कभी भी एक दूसरे को as such notice नहीं किया था.
So I really didn't interact with him so much. He was very quiet though.
पहले आवाज़ से मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अक्षय सीधा साधा वेल ग्रूम्ड गाय.
He came across to me as a very fun-loving, chill guy.
Seemed like a very fun guy. Well, guess I'm not wrong.
ये कौन है ये चोमू चुपचाप बैठा हुआ है कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है.
Well, he was a shy kind of person. Never saw him speaking much initially.
Which is certainly not the case. Once he gets to know someone, he's unstoppable, I believe, which is a very good thing about him.
As we got to know each other, सब उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया.
बट फिर हम लोग मिले एवलॉन ज्वाइन करने के बाद. पहला हमारा बातचीत हुआ था डांस पे, क्रिसमस पार्टी का डांस था. एंड दैट्स हाउ द फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन विद मी एंड अक्षय बिगैन.
पर जैसे 5 मिनट गए 10 मिनट गए जैसे हम दोनों थोड़ा बहुत बात करना चालू किया फिर उसके बाद नॉन स्टॉप था. फिर पता चला कि भाई ये कोई चुप बैठने वालों में से नहीं है. ये धमाका है.
वो सबको हंसा रहा था, बहुत मूवीज के डायलॉग्स मार रहा था, गाने वाने गा रहा था.
He had a red shirt, chinos, brown chinos, white shoes, I think it's blue umbrella or something. So I felt he was really colorful, although I did not know him then.
मिलते ही सब बदल गया था उसके बारे में जो भी सोचा था. ही वॉज नॉट दी दैट सीधा साधा गाय. मस्तीखोर, मस्ती मजाक एंड चिढ़ाना एक दूसरे को, किसी की टांग खींचना मिलकर बहुत. एंड आई वॉज रियली ग्लैड दैट ही टर्न्ड आउट टू बी दिस वे.
So he was not the same person anymore. Didn't feel he was shy at that point of time.
Someone who would, love to take pangas, and someone who was very mischievous, who wouldn't just stop shouting and screaming and laughing. And I remember Akanksha and we used to be like, कितना मस्ती करते हैं ये लोग.
Here we are today. जब there's not a single day that we don't think about each other like him.
Recently I met him back on Instagram and oh my god, he's a different person.
He was also someone, and he has always been that person who, makes everyone laugh. He'll just light up the room with his jokes and his banters.
जन्म हुआ उस दिन तो हम लोग बहुत ही खुश थे.
अक्षय का कौन सी बात सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है आपको?
कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? I don't know what I like about it.
अक्षय कभी भी उनके मन से कुछ भी नहीं मांगता है. इसके लिए उसको जो भी चीज चाहिए उससे वो मांगने से मिले उसको मिल जाए.
Akshay is basically a mellophile. I'm glad that I have Akshay with me because he introduces me to nice Bollywood music and Hollywood movies.
It is the singing. obviously it is singing. Singing comes here than anything. Because you know there are some songs which are like our songs, and being with you, I know more than songs. Trust me, I know more songs than my 8 children would know. Yeah.
Well, he sings well, and I love his expressions when he sings, when he throws some dialogues.
The Bollywood touch that he gives to each and every conversation that we have, and that just comes from within, and he does it really well. So I love that thing about him.
The best part about Akshay is happy go lucky guy कि इतना, इसलिए ही इज वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ गोविंदा, और सब कुछ इतना सारा रिलेट करता है इधर उधर से सब कुछ, और डायलॉग्स डिलीवरी उसके बहुत फनी है.
Yeah, we yell at anything, and our mom used to be like, okay, let the singer sing or you sing. Why you both are yelling at me so?
He'll always make everyone smile and laugh. He'll always make sure that everyone around him is feeling happy and you know is at ease. So yeah, so that is one thing which I love about him.
He's different, he's funny, and I like sharing memes with him. We have this very cute relationship and I love it.
We have numerous memories to cherish, and all of them are epic.
कि बचपन में उसको 5th और 6th स्टैंडर्ड तक उसको बस रोड क्रॉस करने की बहुत डरता था सब चीज़। धीरे धीरे उसके भाइयों के साथ में, कजन के साथ में जाके थोड़ा थोड़ा वो होने लगा, तो उसकी जो डर था बहुत सारा कम हो गया।
बहुत सारे मेमोरीज हैं वैसे देखा जाए तो, एक हाथ दो तो बहुत कम होगा, but there are enormous numbers of memory that I share with him.
The most amazing memory that I have with you and I remember is we were in the same lecture and Chandu sir was out for a break for 2 minutes. We just pumped you to perform a rap for which let me just tell you, Akshay got an award for that rap. It's a rap, it's a small English rap from Bhool Bhulaiya, and he did it amazingly well. So I'm a big fan, Akshay.
The best memory with Akshay was जब मैं अक्षय और साहिल पॉपटेट गए थे, और जब हम दोनों, मैं और अक्षय पॉपटेट खत्म, सब कार्यक्रम खत्म होने के बाद नीचे रास्ते पे दोनों दिन मुन्ना भाई के सॉन्ग गा रहे थे, और बाकी जब जो धतिंग हुआ था वो
सबसे ऊपर एक ही चीज़ याद आता है, when we all went to my home in Kerala, and that was the epic journey we had. एंड केरला में हर एक दिन बहुत ही लाजवाब और धूमधार मचाया हमने वहाँ पे.
एमलॉन में हमने बहुत मज़े किए हैं, लाइक लिटरली बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े किए हैं. हमने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया है, इतना बंक भी करते थे, सब मतलब बहुत मज़े किए हैं.
हम लोग हमेशा बात करते हैं इसके ऊपर. केरला में जब हम लोग रात को सोते हैं, सब एक ही कमरे में सोते थे मेरे रूम में, एंड इद्रिस को आदत था उसकी स्टोरीज बताना. तो अक्षय और मैं हम लोग बैठते थे ऐसे साइड में, एंड इद्रिस बोलता जा रहा था, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन अक्षय डिड दिस. तो इद्रिस सॉ दिस, and we all laughed like anything after that.
It's very difficult to choose one out of tons of memories that we have.
We went on a trip. So that trip में he entertained a lot.
One of my best memory with him is our singing sessions, because he knows about it. We have had quite a lot, and I love the part when we hit on the same line of the song, and I enjoy it a lot.
Our party in Mulchi, where I and Akshay, we both gave an entire performance on the Galan Gudiya song, and we took over the entire kitchen area and we went around in circles showing the entire dance step.
Just one moment where it was really fun was during our Christmas party dance practice. for the Avalon Christmas party, जहाँ पे हम दोनों ने stage तोड़ दिया.
I think the most epic moment with him so far has been getting caught by the cops on the bike twice within the same hour. And I think we've laughed about it for quite some time. But yeah.
The second best memory I would say was when we were in Bali and we all were doing scuba diving and we decided we're going to hold hands and we're going to dive in together, and Akshay comes and he says, wait, and we were all looking at each other and he says, मुझे burp आ रहा है. And that same second everyone leaves his hand and we all dive in.
मुझे बाली का याद आता है हमेशा कि हम स्नॉर्कलिंग कर रहे थे and you wanted to burp, so that is one memory which I always remember and I always laugh on, and I tell your children also about it.
From Bali. So I still remember I had lost my phone and I didn't remember where did I keep it. And Priyanka and Akanksha had asked him to stay with me, make me feel comfort. But instead of doing that, what was he doing? He was just taking rounds around the fish pond there. And when Akanksha asked him कि तू क्या कर रहा है, तुझे बोला था कि रुचिता के साथ रहे और उसके बाजू में बैठ बिकॉज वो बहुत रो रही है, तो तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है. एंड ही वाज लाइक, अरे जान मैं रुचिता का फोन ढूंढ रहा हूँ फिश पॉन्ड में.
A memory that I have often that I'll never forget is that रात को all the people were dancing and he rapped on that Sonakshi Sinha ka song that Honey Singh, and that image I can't get out of my head, so that's something I'll never forget about him.
फिर मुझे हातिक का घर याद आता है जब तू इतने पुराने सॉन्ग्स हमेशा हमें सुनाता था, गाता था, and your playlist is lit obviously. The memorable thing was the only that we used to fight a lot. I mean, like, there hasn't been a day in our childhood that we haven't fight on something or yell at something, because he wants everything that I want, but maybe I want that what he wants. It's vice versa.
Avalon के बाद Dadar was our favorite thing. The whole batch knew about this. Like it was me and Aki's favorite word that we used, Chalo Dadar, because we used to go from Dadar to Andheri, and Dadar में हमारा एक favorite spot था जहाँ पे हम लोग हमेशा जाके बैठते थे, बात करते थे, टाइम स्पेंड करते थे. So वो चलो दादर का एक इतना बड़ा ही किस्सा बन गया है कि उसका हर एक दिन जब भी हम लोग वहाँ से गुजरते तो कुछ ना कुछ नया होता ही है, कुछ ना कुछ नया बनता ही है.
चीजों कुत्ते से बहुत डरता है, अभी थोड़ा नहीं डरता है, क्या करेंगे उसके लिए. बेबी में भी बहुत से समझाता हूँ, कुत्तों से बहुत डरता है, कुत्ते तो कुत्ते होते हैं, बोलते रहते हैं, मेरे को आगे चलना है, लेकिन कुत्ते को देख के रुकना है, रुक गया तो वो काटेंगे, चला तो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. ये सब चीज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जिंदगी.
And there had to be something कि मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही है अगर हम मिल रहे हैं. लाइक कोई माइनर एक्सीडेंट तो 100% होना ही है. सो वो एक मेमोरी है.
अकी मेरे लिए एक दोस्त ही नहीं, दोस्त से बढ़कर एक भाई है. दिल से भाई मानता हूँ उसको.
If at all I go through any downs and at any point of time if I contact him, जब भी उससे बात करूँगी मैं हंसूँगी. I know that for sure. So yeah, a teddy bear.
You're a keeper. I really like to share everything that's going on in my life, because you are the only person who are going to understand me and give me the opinions and suggestions that I should do. So yeah, I cannot just name कि भाई ये रोल आपका है मेरी ज़िंदगी में.
All through Aptech, I think he was the glue for between me and the other friends. He really made sure that I was a part of everyone.
if I need him to be protective or supportive of any other guy or my friend, he'll be a huge big brother to me. And when it comes to advice, he'll be a good friend to me who advises me the best as my friend can do.
You are much, much, much beyond that, and you know it. I was going through a bad phase, and you know, the time when Jet was shut to the time we to Air India basically, there was not a single moment, there was not a single day जब तूने मेरी केयर नहीं की है. Like you have kept me like a baby, and I owe this to you. You kept me going, like, you know, you pushed me, you made me made me realize that it's okay, whatever is done, and just get over it.
It's been 8 years now, and he has become a very important part of my life. And I'm pretty sure in the future he's gonna be there in every episode of my life.
और क्या बताऊँ मैं, वो कभी कभी अनोइंग होता है जब वो मुझे बहुत चिढ़ाता रहता है, और या इट इज़ अनोइंग समटाइम्स, बट इट्स ओके, आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक इट टू.
I can't say it annoys me, but yeah, there's something that can be changed is too much of bachpana.
Like if I am doing some work on my phone and I am laying on my bed, you cannot see me happy or what? You would just come, ran on to me, and you will just sleep on me. That's it. Like, it doesn't matter what I am doing, what important work I am up to. You don't care about that. You are just like, no. I'm gonna irritate you. So you bitch have to stay there.
Nothing so far. Hopefully, not anymore. But yeah, if you ask me anything that annoys me about him, I think the answer would be nothing.
So basically, एक चीज़ है, वो है your list of ex-girlfriends. So that annoys me, क्योंकि it could have been better, but it's okay, it's done. So not a problem.
Things which annoys me about him, I cannot say. जितना प्यार, जितना मस्ती मजाक से होता है, उतना ही वो उसका annoying and irritating nature भी है मेरे लिए, which he enjoys, by the way. He enjoys annoying me a lot. उसका मेरी बिना बात सुने argue करना is his favorite. He enjoys doing that a lot, and then he enjoys making fun of the other side. And when I'm on the other side, he just never stops.
कोई चीज मतलब इसको बोलने के लिए बहुत थोड़ा बहुत गुस्सा पड़ता है, तो
उससे अपनी बात रखने पड़ता है,
तो रखने के लिए उसको इनकरेज करना पड़ता है, भाई ये नहीं, ये वो नहीं.
And one more thing that annoys me about you is you not telling me things when it's happening. Like सब हो जाता है, उसके बाद आप आते हो मेरे पास और बोलते हो कि अच्छा बहन जी ये हो गया था मेरे साथ, तो don't get fucked and then come and talk to me.
लेकिन कोई चीज आती है जिंदगी में तो वो डिसीजन नहीं ले पाता है उससे. तो जो चीज का डिसीजन है, ये मेरे बच्चे हैं, तो उनको जिंदगी में सब बाहर जाने के बाद खुद का डिसीजन खुद लेना पड़ता है ना, कि वहाँ पर पेरेंट्स रहते हैं. वो डिसीजन मतलब अच्छा हो या बुरा हो, तो खुद ने सोचना चाहिए कि अच्छा डिसीजन है कि बुरा डिसीजन है.
अपनी बहन का बेक किया हुआ केक पोस्ट मत करना. बर्थडे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर ले खुद, बट खुद ही खाना खुद का बनाया हुआ केक.
बट ठीक है, उसको मतलब इतना सिखाया है, अभी तो समझाया है, जो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, संस्कार के हिसाब से खुद डिसीजन ले पा रहा है. अच्छी बात है, प्रॉउड ऑफ.
And stay the way you are. Don't pretend to be someone else. You are amazing and you are awesome.
You are very, 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 very important. Very important.
Keep spreading happiness and laughter wherever you go.
Yeah, and Zakir Khan and you are different.
May all the wishes and dreams come true.
Have a splendid day with your family. Enjoy to the core.
So लॉकडाउन है, घर पे बैठ, मज़े कर,
हाँ पता है लॉकडाउन का टाइम है, सो प्लीज एंजॉय विद योर फैमिली एंड योर एरिया फ्रेंड्स.
लॉकडाउन के बाद बहुत पार्टी करनी है, बहुत सारा प्लान्स बनाना है.
हम लोग पार्टी करेंगे, जम के पार्टी करेंगे अगले साल.
हकी मेरे भाई कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाया इस बर्थडे, लेकिन अगले साल बहुत धूमधाम से हम लोग मनाएंगे तेरे बर्थडे एंड इट विल बी अ फॉरएवर मेमोरी. आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट.
हम ज़रूर मिलेंगे, किल वाला पार्टी करेंगे. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family.
वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम, बन गए हम दोस्त पक्के एकदम.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, यही है हमारी तमन्ना. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. ओहो.
और ना जुदा होंगे हम, कभी खुशी कभी गम.
सगळ्या मुलींच्या हाच धावा, अक्षय भाऊ आपलाच हवा.
सुख, समृद्धी, समाधान, दीर्घ आयुष्य आणि आरोग्य तुला लागू दे माझे मित्र. बहुत हो गया मराठी, इनफ है. एक काम कर लेने सारे वो का मतलब आकांक्षा से पूछना, मुझे जानना है उसको पता है कि नहीं.
नहीं. हाँ?
हैव अ ग्रेट बर्थडे. वी लव यू. टेक केयर.
Bye, we love you.
Bye.
Yeah, wish you well.
जान बाय.
और ऐसे ही रहना और बहुत खुश रहना और जल्दी से शादी करो, जल्दी से बच्चे पैदा करो. ओके बाय.
और क्या बताऊं, मिस यू, सी यू सून, बाय.
Happy birthday again, and may all your wishes and dreams come true. All the best. Enjoy. And bye. I love you.
So once again wishing you a really really happy birthday, bhai. I really love you and do not judge me on this, please.
Happy birthday to you, Akshay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Akshay. Happy birthday to you.
तेरे लिए ये एक छोटा तोहफा हम सबकी तरफ से.
बार बार दिल ये गाए तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. तुम इतनी अच्छी हो इसलिए. क्यों अच्छी हो ये बताओ तुम. क्यों बताऊं मैं.